Hey there, Jeannie. Thanks for opting into the video critique. I just pulled open your icon sets here, and my first impression was, whoa, these look awesome. I love them. They look really, really good. I love it when people do this. They have a shape in the background, and yet their vector breaks the outer exterior of the shape. And so that's what you've done here. It looks super cool, contemporary, really interesting, and your color scheme looks really good. Maybe to make it a little extra interesting, I would change out a background color here, maybe like two yellows and two teals, or have each one be a different color. Um, you could play around with a color scheme kind of like this, like a teal, yellow, pink, orange, something along those lines. Um, or like one of these. See how cool these look with the kind of contrasting but highly saturated colors in the background? Since your foreground is gray and white, yeah, kind of like this. Okay, see how neat these look? And you only have four, so you're not going to get the full effect of it really looking like a color scheme, but you could mimic that with two of these colors. So play around with that, see if you like it more. You might not like it more, but it might really give a kind of character to each of your icons. Um, the icons themselves, I think, are nicely formed. Let me just go through and look at your angles real quick, because that's one thing I check. Maybe this kind of white edge here, if you could clean that up, try to. Maybe right here. Looks like it needs to be cleaned up a tiny bit. And right here. Okay. But these look really, really solid. Very good. You're off to a great start. I think they're probably already deserving of an A. So just play around, make the edges a tiny bit more clean, see if you like it with a different background shape. Those are things that might just make it look even better, but they're already super solid. You should be really proud of these. Okay, thanks, Jeannie.